The pandemic forced us into our homes and created a new design focus on kitchens and meeting and gathering areas. But now we have a new need, an escape within our own home. We're here at the Ritz-Carlton Grand Lakes, where they've created 37 unique residences to answer this exact question. Whether it's a new build like these or remodel, we've seen an increased focus and budget on bathrooms. Bathroom trends for 2023 include multiple materials in the same space to create a layered look. Wood on the floors, open shelving, and cabinetry mixed with stone. While there are other areas to consider, powder rooms, pool baths, guest baths, today we're going to shine a spotlight on the master bathroom. The goal of all of these trends is to create a spa-like retreat, a place we can relax, unwind, recharge from the outside world. Let's look at the two major trends. Number one, a spacious, open shower experience. Owners desire a ton of light to bring the outside in. This can be accomplished with a window inside your shower or a skylight above your shower. It can also be accomplished by installing a slider or a pair of French doors in your bathroom across from the shower that let a ton of light into the space. Locating the tub inside the shower keeps the rest of the bathroom free from water. This is especially important if you opt for wood on your bathroom floors, and in effect allows you to create a type of steam room experience in your shower. And the glass enclosure keeps the rest of the bathroom bright and open. And if you want a truly unique experience, consider the shower that we're currently designing. It transitions from inside the master bath to outside the home. So what do you think about this trend? Would you like a bath or shower like this, or do you have another unique idea? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're interested in any of the Ritz-Carlton Grand Lakes private residences, check the link below. There's only a handful left. Smash that like button, share our video, and subscribe to the channel. I'm Daniel Kennerly with Lair Homes, and living better starts here.